In the fast-paced world of graphic design, staying current and relevant is essential. Design trends come and go, but some concepts stand the test of time and evolve to fit the needs of today's audience. One such concept is the use of the present perfect tense in graphic design. This grammatical concept, which indicates actions that have been completed but have relevance to the present, can be seen in various design elements. One example of the present perfect in graphic design is the use of gradients. Gradients have been a popular design trend for years, but they have evolved to fit today's aesthetic preferences. Modern gradients often feature a more subtle and refined color transition, creating a sense of depth and dimension in digital designs. This evolution from bold and colorful gradients of the past to more sophisticated and soft gradients showcases how design trends can adapt to the present while maintaining their relevance. Another example of present perfect in graphic design is the use of minimalism. Minimalism has been a dominant design trend in recent years, with its emphasis on simplicity, clean lines, and ample white space. This approach to design reflects a desire for clarity and efficiency in the digital age. By eliminating unnecessary elements and focusing on essential content, minimalist designs communicate information effectively and resonate with a contemporary audience. Typography is another area where the present perfect tense is evident in graphic design. Today's typography trends often feature a mix of old and new styles, combining vintage fonts with modern twists. This blending of past and present typographic elements creates a unique and dynamic visual language that captures the spirit of the times. By incorporating historical typefaces and design principles into contemporary layouts, designers can create visually rich and engaging compositions that reflect a sense of timelessness.